the fastest thing I've ever done in my whole life. I had an Audi yesterday, sold that, tried to buy CO2 this morning, got told no, found a truck on the marketplace, and now he's on his way. Let's buy this thing. Oh shit, my camera's falling. God damn it, this isn't gonna work, Patrick. It's recording, I think.
Sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Double check.
Take 59 on trying to do this. We're trying to find a good place for the camera to be. But anyways, if you guys followed my first build series, you would know that I built my black truck to be the black 1500 version of CO2 because Sean decided that he wouldn't sell it to me. The other day, I was in my office and one of our maintenance guys came up and he said, hey, do you want this poster? And it was a poster of CO2 sitting out front of our old building. And so I sent a text message to Sean with a picture and I just said, I'm manifesting. Sean ended up responding and saying, hey, I know where you could buy that truck. And I kind of laughed because Steve was there that day. And if you don't know, Sean took CO2 with him down to Florida. He ended up not liking having a lifted truck in Florida, so he came back up and built his lowered 2500. And then he ended up selling CO2 to our other owner, Steve, who put it with the Hamilton collection. He took delivery today on something that's super special to me and super special to us as Custom Offsets. You guys know it very well. Today he took delivery on Custom Offsets CO2. And at first I was super upset and I was super angry about it because I wanted CO2 and Sean wouldn't sell it to me, but he gave it to Steve. But I know why he did it, because Steve is gonna absolutely have the most fun with this truck ever. Now, if you don't know who the Hamilton collection is, they're a super cool YouTube channel. They give back to the community with hypercars and supercars and give backs and donations and do all kinds of crazy shit. Check them out. The next week I messaged them and I said, hey, if you actually ever are interested in selling CO2, I'd be super interested in buying it. It's my dream truck. I've loved the truck for 5 years. It hurt my feelings when we went down and drove it through the mud and did all that stuff. It really, I mean, if you guys watched that video, you would know how bad that hurt me to do. I'm panicking. I'm legit, I'm actually panicking. But anyways, so Steve basically shot me an offer and I couldn't really pass up the opportunity to do so. So Patrick and I are on our way down to Chicago and I am purchasing CO2 as of today. My whole life, I've really dove into, you know, the things I want. I either really strive super hard to get or, you know, I just go for it. And now the team doesn't know that I'm doing this. They have no clue. That's why I have a camera and that's why I'm vlogging and I have no camera guy. They know I'm going to buy a truck. I told them it's a well-known truck in the industry. For me, it's cool because of the history with CO2, with Custom Offsets and kind of being able to bring that back to the scene. And on top of that, being able to take what Sean did and the build that he did and remaking it into my own version of something awesome. I love the way the truck looks right now, but I know we can do something cool with it. So if you guys have any ideas of what you think we should do, drop it in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you when we get to the condo.
Hey guys, it's Sean with Custom Offsets TV. We got a vehicle spotlight for you, and it is the Custom Offset CO2 2015 Silverado 2500 HD. Lifted up, big wheels, big tires. A little humble about showing you my truck this time, so let's go.
All right, Law Daddy, what do you think Dustin's got, new truck wise?
I mean, he's not that sneaky. I already know what he got. Should have bought a diesel.
Yeah, let's use a 23 Tacoma Trail Hunter. I don't know what the 23s, but Tacoma.
Hey, do you know what Dustin's got for a new truck?
In my head, I'm picturing it being some nasty, like, Cummins that's completely wrapped in some bright color, but in reality it's probably something lame that's like his truck, but not much different. I don't know. Yes.
I've got a badge here.
You genuinely don't know what it is?
He was pretty secretive about it.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
Here we go.
You win. Don't hit my car.
Bought a new truck, boys! You didn't even upgrade, you downgraded. That truck's 10 years old. Mine was 11. This shit is so old, I didn't even...
It's done well, but it's already done. That's why I'm not excited.
It's like, this happened already.
You actually bought this?
I bought it, yeah.
Why?
Why not?
I don't know how I feel about this.
Why not?
I at least thought you were gonna get a Duramax. I was like, I was telling him, I was expecting to get like some crazy blue and orange wrapped 4th gen Cummins, and then I'm like, he's just gonna get like a Duramax that was the same body style.
No, I wanted this truck for 5 years.
Yeah.
That's why I bought it.
Then you built one that was the black version of it.
Yeah, which I still have.
Are you keeping it?
I don't know.
It is weird seeing this thing again though. Like all the nostalgia from, I remember when Sean got this thing brand new off the lot.
Not expecting that, huh?
No, it is so weird seeing this truck again.
Well, you're the last one. The guys weren't nearly as excited as I thought they were going to be. They weren't excited as me.
Well, I mean, they don't get to own it, right?
Yeah, but yeah, I also think too that they think that I'm just going to keep it like this, which is not what I want to do. But anyways, I wanted to walk you through a couple things that I found.
These wheels look beat.
Oh, they are beat. So first things first, one of these switchbacks on the bottom,
Yeah.
and then it's kind of just like loose in general.
This is kind of frowned upon these days anyway.
Yeah,
We could just update it with some newer headlights.
new headlights will do, yeah. I think suspension's gonna stay. I mean, it's one of the best kits.
Yeah, it's a BDS coilover kit. Like, you don't get much better than that.
I don't think I'm gonna mess with that much. The frame is actually super clean,
Yeah, that's
you know,
actually
for the most part.
really nice.
I think these are like the coolest taillights. I don't know where I can get a new housing, just like a lens.
It's going to be easier to get new taillights built than it is to find a new lens.
Really?
Yeah, to be completely honest with you.
Okay. Well, besides that, dude, these tires absolutely throw stones.
Yeah, they're designed to look good. They're not exactly designed to perform.
A couple of these also,
Yeah,
like this.
just some new vinyl.
Yeah.
This is like the hardest thing to paint.
Well, yeah, because it's like textured black crap.
Yeah.
But anyways, I was thinking about bumpers. Body Armor makes some pretty sweet bumpers for this thing. What?
Do you know how much time I have into that front bumper?
Yeah, but it's not cool if I just keep it. I gotta do something different. What am I gonna do? Put new wheels on it and be like, look guys, it's my version.
There's not much that needs to be done to this truck, really.
Right. There's difference between needs and wants,
Yeah.
you know?
I mean, if you just want to make it yours, wrap it pink and teal and call it a
All
day.
right, shut your mouth. So like the steps I'll keep, nothing's gonna happen to the engine. Exhaust, I know you say it's the loudest exhaust, I don't believe
Well,
that.
did they change something?
I don't know.
Start it.
It's not very loud though. Did they change something?
No. But it is significantly quieter than it used
It
to be.
is. So I have horn blasters up in the office.
Yep.
I have airlift for the suspension, which I know we had bags on it at one point in time.
Yep.
I do have a 24-foot trailer I'll be pulling,
Yep.
which is a big part of why I did this. I just did the gauge, the Denali upgrade, and the stereo upgrade to put Apple Play into my 1500. Not having Apple Play sucks. So if you have an older vehicle, White Automotive Media Services, they have some pretty cool products so you can keep your older vehicle but have the newer vehicle features within that older vehicle. And they basically send you like a little unit. It's super plug and play. It only takes like an hour to put in, and it gives your truck like Apple Play. And I also did the dash, which gave me like the Denali dash with the big cool like circular, you know, speedometer and shit on it. It's pretty sweet. But anyways, I didn't even know they existed. I found them, I reached out to them, I got everything I needed. They just need like your VIN number, they program it all, and then they send it all out, and it's like plug and play, pretty cool stuff.
Did the rock lights still work?
Rock lights work, yep. I think for this truck, I think I do want some wheel rings, even though I know you hate them. Obviously, I'm gonna rip all the older stickers off.
Yes.
We'll upgrade it with the newer sticker that we'll be putting on the website soon. We're gonna get rid of that ugly brow. We're gonna tint the windows the way they should be. Point the camera at me. 50,000 miles, that's a 2015 with 50,000 miles. Find me another 2015 that's modified, looks like this, whatever, with 50,000 miles on it. You know what I mean? That's how baby this truck is. And for me to go down there and have to
Actually worse. How about yourself? I got a flat tire.
Just another day. Today's plan was to get Jordan from FX Tint. He owns FX Tint. He's got a sweet little truck. He's got adapters on it that he can run 6x5.5 bolt pattern. So we're gonna put some Armstrongs on it. He messaged me that he got a flat tire. So we are going to rescue him, pick him up from the side of the road, and swap his wheels on the side of the road. So we're loading up the wheels and tires right now to drive an hour south to swap them, and then get him up here so we can get some dope shots of them. Just another day on the job.
Coming your way. Banker has a half full battery and then 2 little guys. So I had to go steal this one from maintenance because Banker doesn't know how to charge his shit. Are the jack stands. Here we go. Bailey, we probably need your help. Put it backwards. Bailey's in first. Well, it's just his location where it's at, so I'll get you to the closest exit. I'm trying to do this without getting dirty and it's not working.
Why don't you just review the footage?
Yo, let's go drop the trailer so we can slam this video into a hard edit right now. All right, so that's what we got for you guys. That is a mini truck GMC Canyon on some 2212 Archon Armstrong's brand new wheel from Archon with some adapters to make them fit on this bad boy. It's got the perfect stance. It's a sick little mini truck, probably one of the baddest in the country on Archons, if you're asking me. I don't know, I love this thing, love the body style. Looks kind of like just a mini GMC Sierra, which that's probably my favorite body style truck. This thing was an adventure. I didn't expect us to have to change the wheels and tires in this thing on the side of the road, but we did. We got some sick shots. Here we are. This thing looks absolutely awesome. What you guys didn't see on camera is that it also ran out of gas, this thing did, about a mile from the shop. So it was a whole experience today, but we're here. We did it. It looks sick. That's what I got for you guys. Make sure you subscribe for more. It's Custom Offsets TV on YouTube. Like the video, share it with a buddy if you want to, but subscribe. That's how we keep this going for you guys. Later.
1,000 miles. Find me another 2015 that's modified, looks like this, whatever, with 50,000 miles on it. You know what I mean? That's how baby this truck was. And for me to go down there and have to drive this thing through mud puddles and up hills with rocks and hear them dinging and danging off the fenders and stuff, I was like, it hurt my heart to do that. And now I wish I didn't do it, had I known this day was gonna come.